Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Riya and you are watching beauty and makeup. So today I am going to create this Indian festive eye makeup look. So without further ado, let's get started. Eyeshadow palette which I have used is Red Alert by the brand Revolution. I am applying white eyeshadow on my brow bone so that it enhances the feature of brow bone. I am applying these two shades on my inner corner and outer corner of my eye and blends toward crease line and left a space between eyelid. I take my time so that my eye shades are blend perfectly. I apply light transition shade from palette on my crease line and blend it together. I apply this golden shimmer shade on my eyelids and blend it with my finger, and here I am applying gel liner. I apply purple shade and transition shade on underneath my lower lash line. I apply mascara first to upper side on my lash, then I apply lower side so that it gives a high curly effect to the lashes. I dusting out loose powder which I apply before eye makeup underneath my lower lash line, and here I am applying highlighter. And this time for lipstick, it is final. And here it is